Alright guys, welcome back. It's Mark. Today we're going to be looking at these foot pegs I ordered. So actually I found these about a month ago, and I was holding off buying them. They were about, I think they're in the $60 range. I found them on Etsy at first. And then also recently I found them on eBay, and I think it's the same people that make them. But they have the Jeep grill, which is pretty awesome. And today I'm just going to do a review on them. At least start the review. I'm going to check them out for a few days, ride around, use them. But one of the things that I noticed right off the bat is that these are red, of course the car's black, but I noticed that this could easily scratch up my paint. And so I made a trip to Home Depot or Lowe's today, and I was like, okay, what can I possibly find to cover up this part? I didn't want the red rub off on the black. So what I ended up finding is this tubing. What is it? Clear vinyl tubing. I think I spent an hour at Lowe's today trying to figure out what to use. But basically I found this, and as you can see, I was able to put some tubing around there, find the perfect size. This was a 5/16, and I basically go ahead and do this one. I took this into the store with me, see what fit. I'm going to put that right on there, slide that up, a really tight fit, and then I'm just going to cut the end, and that's going to protect the red from scratching up the black paint right there. So these look like really cool foot pegs. That was the only thing that I had a concern on, and that was my idea of being able to fix that problem. So I'm going to cut this off. I'm going to put it on the car. Go ahead and get a look at that, see what it looks like on the car. I think it looks really good. Matches the red here, got this Rubicon, and of course, as you know in my other videos, you're seeing we got other red things going on too. So let's try them out, see how we like them, see how comfortable they are, and then I'll get back with you in a couple days. Hey, welcome back guys. So I've been driving around for a few days with the new foot pegs, and it's been awesome. Yeah, they've been great. They feel durable, haven't had any problems. One thing I was worried about, would they swing back and forth, but they stay in one place. They have a little nut that you can tighten them down, and they've been working awesome. So got some pictures here at the end that I'll do some roll on, and so you kind of see what they look like on the car, and highly recommend them. Definitely check into putting some type of rubber or some type of something that will kind of protect your car if you're worried about you have a newer one with nice paint and you're worried about it getting scratched up or something, or getting that red on it. They also make them in multiple colors, black, I think green, blues, different things. So go check them out. Go find a link. If I can find the link, I'll put it on this video. I should be able to, so look for that down at the bottom. And make sure you subscribe. I'll be making more videos as I continue to transform this Rubicon. Until the next video, see you guys.